So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Go Midnight 10 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. So tap nyo lang guys. And dito, the dial lang natin is *143, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And after yan guys, dito, piliin lang natin yung number 6, which is yung Go Boosters. So type number 6 and then send. And ayan guys, dito naman, piliin nyo yung number 5, yung more. So type 5, then send. And ayan guys, hanapin nyo lang dyan yung Go Midnight 10. So nasa number 3 siya, type nyo yung number 3, and then tap send. So, ayan guys, sabi dito, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng Go Midnight 10, makakakuha tayo ng 1 gigabytes na data para sa lahat ng sites. So, simula 12 midnight yan guys, hanggang 6 AM ng umaga. So, meron kayong 6 hours para magamit yung inyong additional na 1 gigabytes na data. So, kapag nag-register tayo ng Go Midnight 10. So, para ma-subscribe guys, type nyo yung number 1 and then send. So, ayan lang guys, ganoon lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Go Midnight 10 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.